Hey there, welcome to Infotech Solutions. In 2025, one skill is opening doors to endless opportunities: Python. But why is Python so important, and why should you learn it? Let's break it down. Python is one of the most popular programming languages in the world, and for good reason. Companies like Google, Netflix, and Instagram rely on Python for their most critical systems. It's incredibly versatile, powering web development, data science, automation, and AI. Whether you're building websites, analyzing data, or creating next-gen AI models, Python has you covered. No matter where you are, no matter your industry, Python is your superpower. Unlock endless possibilities and career opportunities with Python. Start your Python journey today. But Python isn't just about the present, it's shaping the future. In 2025, Python is at the heart of AI and machine learning, with libraries like TensorFlow and PyTorch making it the go-to language for building intelligent systems. In data science, tools like Pandas and Matplotlib simplify complex data analysis and visualization. Python also excels in automation, where scripts save hours by handling repetitive tasks. And in IoT and robotics, Python's simplicity makes it ideal for programming smart devices and robots. If you want to future-proof your career, Python is the language you need to learn. And here's the best part. Python is incredibly easy to learn. Its clean, readable syntax feels almost like writing plain English, making it perfect for beginners. Plus, there's a massive global community of developers ready to help you learn and grow. So whether you're a student, a professional, or just curious, Python is the most beginner-friendly language out there. Python isn't just a programming language, it's a superpower. Whether you want to land a high-paying job, build the next big thing, or simply solve everyday problems, Python can help you get there. So, what are you waiting for? Start learning Python today and unlock your potential in 2025. So if you're interested in a Python training demo or ready to kickstart your career, feel free to call us at 802-518-0095 or email us at training@infotech-solutions.com. Looking for other training programs like software testing, manual, or the automation testing with Selenium, or business analyst training? We've got you covered. Reach out today.